So I'm here with Olivier, and he's from McGill. How did you guys get here?
So, McGill Robotics, we're a number-line organization. We have different robotics teams competing in international competitions. This year we have two large teams. We have a team building an autonomous underwater vehicle for a competition in San Diego, and we have the Mars rover team here, who's down here in Utah to compete
Those
in
those
university.
could not be two more completely different environments.
Absolutely, but robotics still robotics. You have mechanical, electrical, software systems all integrated together. Of course, the environment is different, but at the base, robotics stays robotics.
So you talked about having two different competitions. That means you've got a very large team. What kind of team did you bring out here?
So at the very beginning, I was alone, and there were about 5 members who already had experience with McGill Robotics in the past. But then we recruited over 50 members in the whole team who worked throughout the year on this rover named Artemis, and 18 of us came here. So it was a very long trip. Some of us road tripped all the way here to bring all the equipment. Some of us flew all the way here. But it's an immense privilege to be here at the University Rover Challenge.
And you guys came down from Montreal, right?
Absolutely, Montreal, Canada.
Yeah, nice. Okay, tell us a little bit about your robot. How long did it take to build, and what kind of, challenges did you face?
So we're trying to follow an engineering development process. We have a design phase at the very beginning in which we evaluate different concepts, give tutorial to the new team members because we focus a lot on first-year members so that they can follow up with the team in the following years. And then we have a whole manufacturing process and then testing iterations for the last months. There's some things that breaks and that's why testing is so important. So this is why we have a huge period allocated for testing so that we can reevaluate always our design and then ultimately come here on the field.
Awesome. So how's your rover been doing in this particular set of challenges? We've heard a number of difficulties with some of these robots.
Yeah, we've challenged a lot of difficulties during testing, and this is why it's so important. But right before coming to competition, our 24 volts battery shorted with our 5 volts line, and because we have a whole new electrical system, it's actually a backplane with PCBs that plug in. We managed to save over 45 feet of cabling inside of there. All the 5 volts lines are connected together, and because we shorted at one point the line, it shorted all of our drive motor controllers. So now we're working very hard on getting them back on track. Since the beginning of the week, we're going to talk to competitors because there's a great cooperation between all the competitors here. That's why it's a great competition, and we're pretty confident we'll be able to make it work for the last tasks.
I'd say these are slightly more complex than the little RC cars you buy for $50 at the store, huh?
Absolutely, they're a tiny bit more complex, yeah.
All right, well, good luck with the rest of the competition.
Thank you so much.